everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. Today we have more bear news coming out from the market as uncertainty are filling up again. So right now the Fed official just pledged for more big hike in the future until there's a meaningful decline in inflation. So the Federal Reserve just say, hey guys, we are taking a tighter monetary policy here by reinforcing and reaffirming our position that we will be likely to raise up more interest rate until inflation ease in a meaningful way. With official indicating that it will take some time before reversal of monetary policy. So as of right now, the Federal Reserve main goal is to tame inflation, and the only way we can do that or achieve that objective is to slow down the US economy. So what economics and the American people have always been worrying is that will you lead us into a recession? There's no answer or no guarantee that the Fed won't lead us to a recession. The Fed even don't know if their tighter monetary policy will lead into a recession. That is how serious it's gotten. Right now, the Fed just emphasized that a slowdown in demand will play an important role in reducing inflationary pressure, with most participants saying that it would likely take some time before the bulk of monetary policy tightening has a meaningful impact. So this is just the result the market have been receiving, and as a result, we have seen how the market have been react negatively. Expect more big hike until 2023. This is what we are seeing in 2023. So the Fed is not slowing down. Let's look forward. Right now, hedge fund managers are sitting on a record level of bearish bet on the stock market. Hedge fund managers are saying, hey guys, I think the economy is not in a good position right now. We might see a recession soon, and things could get possibly worse within the next couple months. Hedge funds are again increasingly skeptical about this big rally that broke out in the middle of a bear market. They are wondering whether or not we are exiting on this technical bear market. There's a highly chance of the U.S. entering a recession right now. When the Fed say, hey guys, we are committed to more future big rate hike. This is just the beginning, folks. Why are they doing this? Well, in the month of July, we have reported our highest job growth within the year. That was really crazy. Even beat economics prediction, which was insane. So the Fed say, hey guys, the economy can't handle this, and we are going to take more measures to limit the performance of the U.S. economy. So right now, we are going to continue the accumulation of more bearish bet on the S&P 500. Rally for 4 straight weeks, bouncing more than 17% off a 52-week low from June 16. Economic data point to easing price pressure, firm to believe that Federal Reserve is getting inflation under control. Well, they are not looking good though. Recession, folks. That is just the beginning. Let's jump to the housing market. We have seen rent has gone up significantly by double digit. And in the end, we are now seeing home sale fell nearly 6% in July as lower demand for home purchases is leading us into a recession. Right now, home owners are not building more home with limited supply and higher interest rate to purchase a home. We are seeing something in here. Possibility of a recession, very likely. Home sale fell for nearly 6% in June. This is our streak. We have been breaking record with home sale. So let's look here. Sale previously owned home fell nearly 6% in July compared with June. Sale dropped 20% from the same month a year ago. And home builder are saying, hey guys, we are not building home. Inflation has gone up, and the price of us constructing a home is significantly high. There's no point here. So right now they say, hey, we are not building home. We are slowing down our construction site as recession are mounted within the housing market. There could possibly be another housing bubble that we have seen in the past during the dot-com era. And things are not looking good, folks. Let's look more. Bitcoin Bitcoin failed to stay above our $23,000 critical support level. And now we are just re-entering back into our bearish territory. We say, hey, there is another bull run coming within the crypto market. And as of right now, we have seen Bitcoin price dive under 6%. This is how crazy it is. So the Federal Reserve just reiterated commitment within the stock market. And as a result, this is our chart for today. Really shocking news coming out from the market. Really shook everyone. The Fed say, hey, we are committed to more future big rate hike. And nothing will stop us. Our goal is to tame inflation by the end of 2023. And we could ease our monetary policy within 2023. So new low just a matter of time, and we are seeing more bearish sign. If the crypto market could not recover today or win the next couple of days above $23,000, we are in a gloomy position here because it could have pulled back and retest our $20,000 critical support level. This is how serious it has gotten. Let's look more. We have more stuff coming out from the market, a lot of metric here. So Bitcoin, crypto market drop sent Bitcoin below $22,000. We have seen massive liquidation today. Really a lot here. A lot of holders have been liquidating their position just recently due to this recent crash. And crypto investors are not very optimistic as of right now because Bitcoin keep failing to break 25 and to hold at 23. And this is just, we are just reiterating the sense, hey, the US is in a recession, we are in a bear market. Things could possibly gone wrong in the next couple of weeks here. Bitcoin trading under 22, a more than 3-week low after a sudden sell-off. Either Binance coin Cardano, Solana crashed tremendously compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin dropped 6. These coins dropped 10 or 15%. That's how terrible it is. So the bear market is still there, and we are going to continue to see this. But even though the bear market is here, however, investment within the crypto market is still on the rise, folks. That is what we are seeing. Should we be worried about this? Possibly not. There are no reason for us to be worried, but to take this as an opportunity. However, the bear market, there's no guarantee that there will be a significant return because we have failed to hold at 23. And now we are retesting at $20,000. Things could possibly go wrong here. This is how dire the situation is. So the cryptocurrency fluctuate between $21,500 down $22,000. We are going to continue to see whether or not Bitcoin will manage to recover or else another major pullback. Last but not least, liquidation within the crypto market. More than $540 million worth of crypto assets have been liquidated within the past 24 hours. We have seen a significant decline, roughly 77% for Bitcoin and Ethereum and combined. As right now, we are seeing more concern coming out from the Fed. Say they are committed to more big rate hike in September, and another 75 basis point is what we are expecting, folks. This is just the beginning of a bear market and how the Fed could actually dominate the crypto market at some point in time. And then what are my thoughts with the crypto market as of now? The crypto market and the stock market is uncertain due to FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. We are now expecting the Fed to raise up another 75 basis point, and that could trigger the U.S. entering a recession. We are still waiting for our third quarter GDP from the U.S. economy to see whether or not the U.S. economy is slowing down. And if that trend continues, a recession is possibly high here. So be on the lookout, and we are going to continue to keep this situation under monitor. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice time watching my video. Thank you.